Hello from KLCC Twin Towers in Malaysia, and here I want to share one little idea with you. It's actually a question, or it's actually a way of asking a question. So there is this one type of questions that's called lofty questions. Lofty question is a question where you ask a question but you say it in a positive way. For example, you say, why am I so beautiful? Like in this question, you are implying that you are so beautiful. So this question will fool your brain to think that you are beautiful, and then you are asking the question, why am I so beautiful? And so your brain will do its best to work to search for a reason why you are so beautiful, and therefore you will be like you will convince yourself that you are beautiful. And you can use this with anything, and this type of questions is called lofty questions. And I don't know, it's just a smart idea. Use it. Peace from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.